Has your doctor ever told you to start eating Mediterranean diet? Most doctors, we tell our patients Mediterranean diet. So what is this Mediterranean diet and why do we recommend it? What are the benefits? That is what I'm here to talk to you about today. Please stay tuned. You would realize that the benefits are enormous if you stay tuned. One, Mediterranean diet is called Mediterranean diet because it's the traditional eating habit in countries around the Mediterranean, countries like Greece, like Italy, and the diet focuses on fresh vegetables, fruits, whole grains, olive oil, fish, lean proteins, and they've been doing this for centuries, for thousands of years. And studies have shown that this diet has helped them significantly from a health point of view. Now I'm going to tell you some health benefits. Just stay tuned. One, it reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. Two, it supports brain health and longevity, which means that the incidence of that dementia, memory loss is lower in people who consume this Mediterranean diet. It promotes sustainable weight management. You and I know that obesity is a big problem. One interesting thing, many years ago I used to work in an antiretroviral clinic, that's an HIV clinic, and some guys, that was in South Africa, some guys came from the US to come and do a study on weight loss. As you know, people with AIDS, which is the end stage of HIV, they have severe weight loss. Halfway through the study was abandoned. You know why? They found out that more than half of the people who had HIV were actually obese. The obesity, and they were stage 4. The obesity problem is so bad that it's even affected people who had HIV in that study, so it was stopped. So if you are on the Mediterranean diet, it will help you with a lifestyle that will maintain your weight at what it should be. What you don't want to do is to go in on this fasting. I do water fasting for 1 week. I want to do water fasting for 3 days. It's actually counterproductive. You know why? Because you will lose the weight in the immediate period of time, but your brain will see it as a deficit and will catch up. And you will gain more in the next 3 months than you've lost in the last 3 days. It's just the way the brain is wired. So don't bother. You're just punishing yourself. You want something that is a lifestyle, something that is continuous, and the Mediterranean diet is a good example. So a dinner that is a Mediterranean diet dinner will be something like dinner with grilled salmon, olive oil, roasted vegetables, and you want to replace butter with olive oil. Butter is bad. Olive oil is good oil. It's good cholesterol. And you want to opt for whole grains over refined grains. And when you see those things in packets, don't go for them. Cook from the scratch. If you have corn at home, use it. If you have vegetables that you bought from the market, use it. Don't go for things that have been frozen. No, that's not the way to go about it. And this year, I'm hoping that we're all going to be healthier for it. And please stay tuned to my channel. Subscribe to my videos if you haven't. For those of you who have, thank you for helping me keeping this thing going. I appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video.